Welcome to Crypto Updates and Profits, how I made over 30% in the last 3 weeks in a bear market with the most hated coin called Solana. And I'm gonna go inside on the desktop and show you where the market is going and precisely what is happening in the future. So before we actually go into the charts, let me show how we profited from Solana so far. So we opened 2 positions, one of them on Bybit trade, so a trading position, and the second one is an investing position on Coinbase. So as you can see here, we are currently on Bybit, up $402 on Solana. Took that entry about a week ago. And then obviously we have our Coinbase one, which is currently sitting at 6,000. That's our investment, which we, as you can see, we have built positions over the last couple of weeks. 180, 600 euros, 1,800, 700, 1,500. This position with 6,000 euros is currently in profit, $1,100. And we started about 3-4 weeks ago on the analysis that we're gonna check out right now. So we are right now on the laptop and we're gonna go over the analysis for Solana. As you can see right here, we have Solana in front of us. Solana is currently trading at a price of $27.94 per Solana coin. My prediction is that Solana, and predicted with the SK system, which we always use in all the updates, which I use to analyze every market, doesn't matter if crypto, forex, and so on. That's the system that we teach in our community, the TPR community. Right now, as I said, we are looking forward to get Solana back to at least $32. That's the next target for the smaller sequence, which is currently the one that you are seeing here right in front of you. We are looking forward to hit that price in the next couple of weeks. We are already up in a trade and investment nearly 30%, which is this one. Target would be 52% from the entry, right? We bought here in the BC correction basically. And price, obviously, what we are looking forward to is this move here up to see our target, as you can see here, which again would be $32 per coin. Now this is a smaller sequence, the current sequence. We have a primarily sequence, which is the one over here, which leads us to a target for about $44 US per coin. And then the major one, and why I'm saying that Solana could easily hit $400, and obviously by that cracking the all-time high, which was at about 260 US. And our main target would be right now at 428, right? This happened many times in the past. The analysis, most of them are very accurate where price is going. That would be our C target just on the whole sequence. Obviously, we will build up a lot of smaller sequences like these ones, like secondary sequences and smaller ones to go up to this price. And obviously it could take a lot of time to go there, but that's the price prediction for the future. And we are seeing some good bullish moves. Now, the fundamental analysis, why Solana is one of the most hated cryptocurrencies. And I call it like the Trump effect, right? Back then when no one wanted Trump to be the president of the United States, even though no one wanted him, everyone talked about him. And what people talk about gets attention, and attention is currency. So that is one of the theories why Solana could get enough volume to go up. On top of that, Solana is one of the leading decentralized financial system out there with a very smart and fast blockchain. And the history protocol, right, which basically makes Solana unique, and they are the only one that have these protocols, or this protocol, which basically means that you can look into the whole history, which is very good for financial tracking. And that's also why it is decentralized, but then also combined with a tracking tool for decentralized finance. It's something that, you know, other banks, institutions could adapt to or want to adapt to, besides just having a decentralized platform where there's no tracking tool behind the blockchain. And that's where Solana comes in basically, right? Solana comes out of Switzerland, which is another big hub for cryptocurrencies. And with the current analysis, the technical analysis, combined with the fundamental analysis and theories that we have here, I easily see Solana going up to that price prediction. We started to buy Solana heavily a couple of weeks ago. As I said, current position is up 30%, and I'm just gonna show you. So I've been building up this position here on Coinbase, just putting in some money. Currently it sits at 6,285 euros is what I invested so far. Which is like the current balance. I invested about 4.8, so it's up more than $1,200. and we're just gonna keep building positions and buying along, going up to the target that we just talked about, which would be $400 and more for Solana, right? So people that are keep holding Solana, I would recommend, and obviously that's not a financial, at the end of the day, how you should do it or what you could do. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my knowledge, my opinion, right? And obviously, investing is very, very risky if you consider to open positions and trade it or buy it, right? Obviously, very, very risky. It's a cryptocurrency. But this is my opinion reflecting where price is going in a technical and fundamental analysis. And you could start right now if you want to enter when we get back to the correction level, which would be somewhere currently sitting at $22. So rebuying at $22 would be a smart option. We could also see the finish of the sequence over here until $33 and then come back. So what we want to see is something like either price going up. Let me just use the tool here. So price going up and finishing the sequence and then coming back for a re-entry and then going to the higher levels, or maybe just dropping right now into our rebuy zone and then completely going up to the next target, which would be easily an increase of 89%, right? Like nearly doubling your investment. So if you're looking for entries, keep in mind that I'm gonna update you down in the description and comments on analysis and so on. And on top of that, you have my free Telegram group that you can join, which I already shouted out this trade 3 weeks ago. So you have the whole record and see that I shouted the trade and where it currently sits. And I'm gonna obviously also let you know when there's a re-entry, and not only for crypto, but also for stocks and for any other tradable assets, because the focus for us is not judging a market, but finding good entries and making money on it. And if you want to do that, then obviously do join this group. And second of all, if you want to learn the system that we use to trade, where all of the predictions that we did in the past came true so far or are about to become true, you can learn the system in our trading community. Shoot me a message, comment below, let's get it. And hopefully you like this crypto update and crypto profits.